Hello guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for coming! For today's video is I am gonna eat the lettuce. This is nutritious. It's fresh lettuce. And then because I'm craving a lettuce, I decided to eat some. Yes, why not? Since I have lettuce in my fridge. So I'm gonna cut this one. It smells good. I'm craving this, guys. I'm craving lettuce. It's perfect that I have a lettuce in my fridge. I don't have lipstick this time, so I look so pale, okay? That's okay. Because I'm gonna eat. Yum. Smells yummy. I like lettuce, guys. It's nutritious and it's fresh. Here. Actually, I need to put some more because looks like not enough. Yung jowa ko mahilig din ito eh. Lettuce. Kaming dalawa mahilig. I think I have enough now. Titirhan ko siya. Okay. Sa kanya na to. Baka magtaka yung isa bakit naubos. And then, I have honey here. Also, I have a balsamic. Balsamic, and then actually it's still sealed. It is organic balsamic. It's organic. And shake. Shake the bottom. This is honey infused with organic honey. Organic honey. Let's see what taste is this one. Next, the honey. And now it's time to eat. It's gonna be crunchy. Kumakain ako ng mga dahon. Grass. I'm eating a grass. Okay siya. With honey. So far, I like it. I want more honey.
Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you, and I think I'll have to listen, because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh, I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one who showed me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one who showed me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. It's you and me on this beautiful day, and it's smiling, holding on to you tight. I guess our hearts can align, and it feels so bright. It's like your love has gotten to me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. I can see it now, it's deep in your eyes. No way to define what we feel inside. Baby, baby, now now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh, I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. Don't worry of tomorrow. For now, you're everything in my day. I love the way you like a song. You know my heart. Cause you know me, know my heart. You're everything in my day. I love the way you know my heart. Yeah, alright. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. I can let you know that you're my boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. I will love you every day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. Do you wanna know? Well, I've been thinking about you, and I think I have to listen. Because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh, I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again.
I finished it all. So, ang masasabi ko sa lasa nito, I can tell that this flavor is a little bit sour. It's sour, guys. Yeah, it's sour. I have a different flavor of this one. I think that's the one that my favorite, the other one, but this one I tried this first time. It is sour. Yep, but it's still good, but it's just sour. Okay, and then with the help of honey, that's all my video for today. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also hit the bell for more uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.